how to use stable diffusion in Google Colab. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Basically, there are two methods to do this. Method 1. Step 1. Open your browser and navigate to GitHub. You can find the link in the description below. Here, scroll to the bottom of the page and click on the link for stable diffusion with diffusers. Step 2. Click on the Open in Colab link next to the stable diffusion link for Colab. This will open a Jupyter notebook on Google Colab. Step 3. In Google Colab, go to the Runtime menu and select Change Runtime Type. Step 4. Ensure that GPU is selected as the hardware accelerator, then click Save. Step 5. Under the Setup section, click the Play button to run the first script. Step 6. Wait for the script to complete. Once it's done, a check mark will appear. Step 7. Run the next script to install diffusers. Step 8. Scroll down to the Stable Diffusion Pipeline section and run that script. Step 9. Run the next script to move the pipeline to GPU for better performance. Step 10. Now you're ready to generate your first image using Stable Diffusion. You can either use the default prompt or modify it to improve the results. Method 2. Step 1. Head over to the sitelexica.art website to find better prompts. Step 2. Use the search bar to look for a prompt example such as cyborg. Step 3. Select an image you like and copy the prompt. Step 4. Go back to the Colab notebook and paste the new prompt into the text box. Step 5. Run the script to generate an image based on the new prompt. If you're not satisfied with the result, simply run the script again to generate a new one. So that's basically how you can use stable diffusion in Google Colab. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.